Go. G-Will, man. Free them a cut, man. Motherfuckers know how the fuck we coming back. Go.
Damn, Spancy.
We catch off to split 'em. No FaceTime, down the middle. We don't go down to get 'em. Hop out the car, 7 shots in his griddle. Blowing this jig, it sound like a missile. Smoke on the wood, this shit fucking my mental. I don't rap cab, he don't drop presidential. Hop out the cloud, then blow like a whistle. These stripes on my shirt, so you know I'm official. Bro wipe his nose, he needed some tissue. He slamming shit out with 762. Love bro pop out, he know what to do. All the ops down, that should be a coup. Money come in, I'm feeding the crew. You run with your girl, you don't know what to do. Stand over the man, sweep of the broom. Blow us up, boom, balloon. Lil' Duke in the bag with the attack. When he really be seeing some movement. 10 shots in that whip, no you couldn't drop. No your little ass was looking stupid. I can pop out fast with some Balenci's on. How you wanna do it, ayy?
Spin that fucking block, phone them gon' get it busted. Catch a op, we ain't giving no pass, hop out, get with him. Nothing I hate more than do snitching. Why you ain't never slide through, little nigga? Post up with the pipe in my dinner. You don't want smoke, then stop that distance. Do checked out, shot his homie in this bitch. You pop my homie, then I'm going out with him. Smoke D-Bear by the ounce and I'm living. Shot that shit while you ain't pay attention. Pop me a deuce, pull up and I'm in it. I fuck this bitch, now you tryna come get me. Wolf by the bitch, little bros, you stupid. So many shots on us, we blue.
Damn,
Pop up the cut, this shit get grooved.
Please don't make a scene or we hawk you down. Bro, shoot the nigga, he love our sound. We chase these bread, take off from these clowns. Hop out the hot car, then we spreads us down, He like them 11 shots, but them bitches gon' take him down. Face shot him, put his ass in the ground. 6 feet under where he going now. Hop out the car, we spray those. Lil' bro hop out, he got the Draco. Lil' dude get the backseat with the Mac, and he love shoot, he spray those. Hop out with 50, Lil' bro got Gwilly. If he run dead, phone him get busy. Stand over that man, get his ass gone. Phone him gon' wipe him like a ruddy nose. We ain't capping cause we on the grove. Dissing my brother, go off like a nickel. Smoking on Zach, will like a pickle. Can't even slack cause we got too much G's. You get to running and hand and tree shit. I get to shooting and hitting everything. Fucking your bitch, she begging me please. Soon as I up, I need everything. Throw y'all back, this bitch got me leaning. On the E-way, I'm swerving and speeding. This get behind me, I'm fleeing the scene. Ayy, her brother opt, so that mean you opt out. We be on vault, that's by the jackpot. Any nigga wanna slide, he gon' die. Face shot, hit me traumatized.